Today we are doing proof by contradiction. The question says proof by contradiction, prove the proposition. So read the proposition. The first step for proof of contradiction is assuming it's wrong or it's not true. Okay? So it's saying there are no positive integer solutions. Let's assume there is positive integer solutions. So assume that does equal 1 where x and y are an element of positive integers. The statement says there are no positive integers. This statement is saying there is positive integers. So we're assuming it's not true. We're assuming the opposite.
Oh, so x and y are positive.
X and y are positive integers.
Okay. You just straight up assume that it's wrong. Yeah.
Look at the formula or the equation. Does it look familiar at all?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
difference of perfect squares and perfect squares.
So the first factor times the second factor have to equal 1. So what do they have to equal?
1.
They both have to equal 1 or negative 1. So that's the next statement. Both x plus y and x take y are equal to 1 or equal to negative 1. Yes? Do you see my logic? So what do you think the next line is?
X is 1, y is 0.
No, x and y are 0.
X is 1, y is 0.
Yeah, but y has to be a positive integer.
Y has to be a positive integer. 0 is not a positive integer.
So that means, so it's false, which means it must be.
Okay, so there's two situations where they both equal 1 or both equal negative 1. Do either of those situations not work? Which one?
How do you get to 1?
Well, if they're both positive, then you can have
Negative
x equals
1.
3 and y equals 2. And that would work, wouldn't it? Because that would equal 1.
So we want to find the one where it doesn't work. This is all about finding the steps where it doesn't work.
Nothing.
So negative 1 or 1, which one doesn't work?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Why doesn't negative 1 work?
Because you'll have a bigger number on the left side. And the negative 1.
X and y are both positive integers. X plus y cannot equal negative 1, can it? X plus y cannot equal negative 1 because they are positive integers. Instead of writing the words, you write the symbols. I'm just writing the words. You should write the symbols.
What is
It's just a person, Hayden.
Oh.
That made up that equation. Okay, so we're rejecting the negative 1. So both of them have to equal 1. Yep.
It's a polynomial equation.
So x plus y equals 1 and x take y equals 1. Okay, so let's make this equation 1 and let's make this equation 2. Do you remember what this is called? Simultaneous equations. So let's make 2 this, and then we'll put 2 into 1. Do you remember doing this? 1 plus
y plus y equals 1, y equals 0. Yeah, I've probably confused you. Cx, I'm substituting that into there. And I get that. Y equals 0, what's x?
The sub
So x equals? I was trying to write therefore. Can you write the therefore symbol instead of the word? X equals 1. Does it work? Y is not a positive integer, so it doesn't work. Therefore, the original statement works. Because I proved the not proof. Or I proved by contradiction. So therefore, and write the original statement is
Prove the original.
and that's proof by contradiction. You find a situation where the opposite does not work, and that means the original works.